Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am dealing with these questions related to the linear equations, that is for class 10th of UP board and CBSE, ICSE, whatever the type of the board is. These very important questions because in these type of the questions you have to prepare the equations yourself. If you make your equations correct, you have prepared your equation very perfectly, then you will definitely get the answer. Otherwise, you can't secure your marks because equation should be very much perfect. So now we are going to learn this. The sum of the still pass marks obtained in maths and English is 30. It means, suppose this is the math subject and this is English. It means, as per the questions, still pass marks obtained in maths is X, then rest, the total addition of these two marks obtained in maths and English is 30. So that if X is marks obtained in maths, the rest amount will be in English. That is 30 minus X. Okay. Now, if she had got two more marks in maths, it means if she gets plus 2 marks more and less and 3 marks less in English, it means this was the English, it means it will be less by 3 minus 3. This, then the product of their marks would be 210. It means product of these new marks will be 210. It means this will be x plus 2 after adding 2, and this will be after subtracting 3, this will be 27 minus x. And the product of these two marks, that is the marks obtained in maths and this marks obtained in English, this should be equal to 210. It means second equation will be here x plus 2 into 27 minus x. This will be equal to 210. Then find the present marks obtained in both the subject. It means we have to find the value of x and 30 minus x. This is to be obtained. Now, we are going to solve this. In order to solve this, x will, the multiplication is to be done, equation to be opened. This will be 27x minus x square plus 2 7s are 54, 27 2s are 54 minus 2 times x is equal to 210. And then this is 27x, this is 2x. It means we will simply get 25 times x minus x square. This is equal to 210 minus 54. Or we can say that x square, if we shift this all this, minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. This is a simple equation, a quadratic equation from where we will get two value at least of x. Now this is to be factor. We have to make factor. In order to do this factor, what we have to do, that 156, yeah, I'm going to do this. 156 is to be divided in two portions in such a way that product should be 156 and subtraction or addition should be minus 25. Now this is, now we have divided this by 2, then it will become here 78. The addition of these two is either 80 or subtract 76. This is not, this pay is not considerable. Now then 2 into 2, again 2 multiply, it means this will become what 39. Now 39 into 4, that is 35 or more 43. This will be not considered. Now again 2 into 4, this is, now if we multiply this 3, then this will be equal to 30. Now this will become 2 to the 4, 12 into 13. This is very much okay because multiplication of this will be 156 and addition of these two will be 25. So that now we can find the value of x over here by writing it as 12x minus 13x plus 156, because minus 36 will addition of 25 and multiplication of these two will be 156. This will be equal to 0. From here, we can obtain the value of x as, taking x as a common, so that in between this 13 is to be common, you get x minus 12. Or we can say we are having two values, two factors of this equation, x minus 12 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. It means we are either she is securing 12 marks or 30 marks. Different cases, two cases are there. First case is when, now we are going to discuss our case. Okay. And have to check whether it is True, answer is true or not. Now, case first. When x is equal to 12. When marks obtained in maths is 12, then in English it will be, this is maths, English, it will be 30 minus 12, that is 18. Okay? Okay? These are the total marks. This is maths and this is English, 12 and 30. Okay? Now, case second is to be whether it is correct or not. The addition of this is 30, whether the multiplication after subtracting 2 and after adding 2 and 3 marks, it should be 210. Now we are checking here that x was equal to 12 after 2 more marks added, after adding 2, it will be x will become equal to 12 plus 2, that is 14, x plus 2. Okay? After adding 2, then x plus 2 become 14. This is in maths. And subtracting 3 from English. This was English. So 80 minus 3. This is after subtracting 3 marks in English. That is equal to 15. It means these are the after adding 2 marks when x was 12, and this after subtracting 3 marks in English was 15. Thus the multiplication of these two should be 210. It means 15 into 14, that should be equal to 210. 15 4s are 60, carry 6. 15 1s are 15 6, 210. It is very much okay. Now case second. It was the case when x was 12. Now we are considering the second case when x was 13. Now here we can see when maths was x was 13. Okay. Then English will be equal to, the addition of this is 30. It means 30 minus 13, that is 17. Okay. It means this was the, in that case, when it was 30, then it was 17. So that addition is equal to 30. Now checking the second stage. If she got 2 more in marks, it means after adding 2 more marks, x plus 2, this will be equal to 15. 13 plus 2, 15. Subtracting 3 marks in English. This is 17. Subtracting 7 minus 3. That is again 40. And then product of these two again will be equal to 2. It means our question is very much correct. You can check yourself whether your question is correct or not during your examination period, if you have the time only. So that it is very much 100% sure, if the conditions are satisfied by your answer, then you will definitely correct. The question is very much correct. Thanks for watching my video from beginning to last. And this is the question related to linear equations, and my playlist is there. You can watch different type of the questions are there on my video, and several other topics are also available for class 10 especially. So that please watch my video and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thanks for watching me, and please give me thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.